everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to pair and connect this Bluetooth speaker to your phone. So if you got your Android phone, just swipe on down from the top right, and we are looking for the Bluetooth options. So you can go to this button, just hold down on it. Otherwise you can go to settings, go to where it says connections and tap that, and let's go to Bluetooth and tap this. Now make sure it says scan on the top and press it down and go to your speaker and turn it on. So most of the time with these speakers, you just have to turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
And it'll automatically engage Bluetooth mode. So you can see it's already connected. So I can just unpair it right here, and then it should show up under here. So put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, your speaker. There might be an option on the top, or you might just have to turn it on. Now the important thing is to disconnect this from your previous device. So like I just did before, you'll want to do that on your previous device.
Bluetooth mode.
So now let's press scan since I just turned it on. It said Bluetooth mode, and it should show up. It's the P12, for some reason it's labeled that. And it should connect. So if you're doing karaoke or something like that, this one comes with little microphones, which is actually kind of cool. And then we have to press pair.
Bluetooth connected.
So we can start singing some karaoke. And we just have to turn it on. So it's very easy to connect. Just go to this screen, the Bluetooth screen, and you should be able to connect. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel
down below.